Hello, it's Matt from Discount Displays, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply some of our vinyl stickers to plain sheet glass. Make sure you have a water spray, lint-free cloth and tape. Ensure the area is thoroughly clean before applying. Use some tape to help secure your window vinyl in place, making sure it's straight and level before going further. Carefully peel back the vinyl on one side and remove the backing. Then slowly from the inwards, working towards the right, lay the vinyl down flat. It can help if you use a squeegee to do this. Do one final check for any bubbles that may be present. And that's it, you're done. Take a look at your work and admire your wonderful new vinyl window sticker. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you do have any questions about the product, you can follow the link down to our website below or give our team a contact on the number you see on screen now. The number's also down in the link. Please like, subscribe and look out for any more videos. We hope to hear from you soon.